Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use CoinRabbit without KYC. Using a crypto platform without KYC, identity verification is something many users look for. It depends on the platform for most centralized services. CoinRabbit is actually one of the few crypto loan platforms that can be used without full KYC, which makes it popular for the users who want privacy and fast access to the loans. So yes, you can open one of the browsers, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. And once you get into this interface, go to this My Wallet in the top right over here. Once you get into this interface of your CoinRabbit, you can choose your loan crypto plus account. In the left hand side, we can find this loan here. Click over there, and over here what you can do is you can select your collateral. You can also switch to the external wallet and choose your cryptocurrency over here. And over here you can also select your LTP over here for the 50% or 65%, and you can choose the APR after that. After you're done, what you can do is you can select to this bottom icon that says get loan, and you can click onto this get loan, and QR appears, and you can receive the loans. No password, no face scan. And even though KYC is not required initially, there are some conditions. KYC may be requested if activity looks suspicious. Withdrawal limits can apply without KYC, and very large loans may require verifications. And CoinRabbit is no KYC friendly, not 100% no KYC guaranteed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.